Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of data preprocessing for machine learning using Python. Specifically, we'll be looking at a code example that demonstrates how to clean and prepare data for analysis and modeling. Let's start by breaking down the code step by step. We begin by importing the necessary libraries. Here, we're importing pandas for data manipulation, and various modules from the scikit-learn library for data preprocessing tasks such as imputation, scaling, and encoding. Next, we load our dataset using pandas. This dataset contains some dirty data with missing values and other inconsistencies, which we'll address shortly. Before we proceed with any preprocessing, it's crucial to understand the structure and content of our data. We use the head function to display the first few rows of the dataset, giving us a glimpse of its contents. Now, let's move on to defining our preprocessing steps. We start by identifying the numerical and categorical features in our dataset. For numerical features, we'll fill missing values with the mean and standardize the data. For categorical features, we'll fill missing values with the most frequent value and encode them using one-hot encoding. Using pipelines and transformers from scikit-learn, we create separate preprocessing pipelines for numerical and categorical features. These pipelines encapsulate the sequence of operations we want to perform on our data. Next, we combine these preprocessing steps using a column transformer. This allows us to apply different preprocessing techniques to different types of features in our dataset. With our preprocessing steps defined, it's time to apply them to our data. We use the fit_transform method to apply the preprocessing steps to our dataset, transforming it into a cleaned and processed format suitable for machine learning algorithms. Once the preprocessing is complete, we convert the cleaned data back into a data frame. We also ensure that the column names are appropriately set for the cleaned dataset. And finally, we display the cleaned data to see the results of our preprocessing efforts. And there you have it. Our data is now clean, preprocessed, and ready for further analysis and modeling. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding the basics of data preprocessing in Python. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy coding!